Today we learn about layout tabs. This is very important tabs after home and insert tab. Okay. First of all, we added some content. Through this tab layout, we can our page setup. Layout divided into three groups. First group is page setup, second group is paragraph, and third group is arrange. In first group, in page setup group, here ribbons are margins, orientation, size, columns, breaks, line numbers, and hyphenation. Second, in paragraph, indent and spacing ribbons. And third group, arrange. In this group, here ribbons are position, wrap text, bring forward, send backward, selection, pan, align, group, and rotate. Okay. Now we learn about margin. Here so many margins. Maximum time as usual we use normal, but here also last custom setting, this one normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, and Office 2003 default. Okay. Next is orientation. In this ribbons, two options, portrait and landscape. Our page setup, if you want portrait, click on here. If you landscape, click on here. This is landscape. Okay. Next is size. There are so many size. Letter, tabled, legal, executive, A3, A4, B4, B5, envelope, this is envelope size, and envelope monarch. As usual we use legal size. Okay. Next is columns. First of all, we select our content. Here is on column. We can, this is 2, and it's turned into 3. Now left, right. Okay. These 4 ribbons also can customize through this option. If we more columns, then we can customize. If we 9 columns, then put the number on columns and OK. See the 9 columns. If you want 4, this is 4. How much you want, just customize your column numbers. Okay, this is another option for customize margins. If we want 2 inches in every side, both of side, to top to bottom, to left to right, and OK. See, and next is paper option. Paper size, first letter, this letter, second tabloid, next legal. Legal is as usual 8.5 inches and height is 14 inches. Okay, margins we can normal, and please select your content here, legal. Okay, now breaks means divided. Here our paragraph break in next para. Can also added number if you want, or none. Okay, now indent and spacing. Okay, here is 0. See, when we increase indent for left, it's just moving into left. Here, see, for right, see, it's moving from right. Okay, and spacing before and after. See, before it's moving. Auto, and after it's moving. Okay, auto. We can also customize from here. Left, centered, right, and justified. Here are 4 options. First of all is select our content. It's this alignment start from left That's why it's option left. If we select right, it start from right, and if we select justified, then it's equal. We select our content all of and justified. See, okay. Now the third group is arrange, but here the ribbons are faded, invisible. Just 2 ribbons are visible, so we need some pictures or shape or drawing, because this ribbons or this group work through picture or drawing. So we added a picture. Okay. See, position, wrap text are visible. First of all, we select a right position for this picture. Top, this top and middle, center. This middle left. We easily move this picture through position. Okay. Now wrap text, in line with text, square, tight, throw, top and bottom, behind text, in front of text. We can edit wrap point. But we can also add some shape to showing the bring forward and send out forward ribbons. So we draw some pictures. So cute heart. You can fill the color. No outline. We can this duplicate. For duplicate, press Ctrl plus D. Fill the another color. Okay. See, send backward, this picture send to backward, bring forward, this picture or shape bring forward. We can also in line with text, wrap text, square, tight, throw, top and bottom, behind text, in front of text. Okay, first of all we insert in here, then behind text. See this heart behind into text, in front of text, this heart in front in text. Okay, we can also add align left, align right, align center, align bottom, here the bottom, align middle, here the middle. Okay, we can also rotate if we need. Rotate 90 degree right, rotate left to 90 degree, flip vertical, and this on horizontal. This one is right. Right for 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, flip vertical, flip horizontal. This is mirror. Okay, this one is right. Okay, this is the page layout. I hope you all enjoy this video. If you like this video, then please comment, share and like. Please. Thank you.